Compose yourself. You're a seasoned world traveler, not a hype girl.
Hi y'all, I'm Ashton. In 2020, I was newly single and furloughed from my big city job, so I left Houston in the middle of a pandemic in search of a fresh beginning. I started by sailing from Texas to the US Virgin Islands, made some new friends, and got a great tan. Then I took myself on a solo road trip to see as many epic views as I could find in 4 weeks. Join me for season 2 with all new experiences, people, and places. I can't wait for you to see what I have planned for the ride. Subscribe and follow along. After all, to live would be an awfully big adventure.
Hello, friends! Okay, we are T-minus 2 days, literally until takeoff. I'm not prepared. I'm never prepared. You will never be prepared enough to go on a semi-unplanned 3-month adventure in countries you've never been to before. So it's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Yesterday we stayed one more day at Margaritaville, got caught up on some sleep. After the wedding, it was a perfect wedding. The only thing I could have asked for, my only moment was that there wasn't enough dancing, but I could have danced for 5.5 hours without stopping. Okay, so I went to the Columbia store, got another warm undershirt. It says 54 degrees, okay? But it's like, there's still icebergs. So like how 54, because is it like a Houston 54 degrees where it's like wet and it's so cold? Is it like a Colorado 50 degrees where, I don't know. Heck, it was 50 degrees when I was in Paris and that was still pretty chilly. I don't know. So I am prepared for warmth. I am prepared for, it's cooler. I have to go to Best Buy, get an extra memory card for my Nikon because apparently those are very hard to find overseas if something happens to the one I have. So now I'm staying with Angela for the next 2 days. So I've got to go home, literally lay out everything I have, send back the stuff I'm not taking, send that back to the boat, and then figure out how to pack everything I want to take into my 2 bags. We're gonna film this process also so that you get to see exactly what it is, because I am notoriously an overpacker and I need to not be. So I'm hoping Angela will keep me in the right on this way. She will keep me on the, what do you call it? The straight and narrow. All right, so this is everything I have back in the States. This box is everything I'm either putting in storage or sending back down to the boat. I'm not sure. That's everything I'm taking. This is all a bunch of random stuff and shoes. I didn't actually need those. I'm gonna fit everything into this bag and that bag. And then we'll also be taking that. Gideon, what's happening?
Everybody's gonna see my boxes on the dresser.
You're moving too.
Are they gonna have a steamer where you're going?
No, I bought a thing of the Downy travel wrinkle release. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts with sleeves.
Right, non-tank tops.
So are you supposed to leave some of it open?
No, I think you're supposed to zip it. Okay, maybe not. Now start rolling from the bottom.
I filled it past the line.
How many dresses is that, Ashton?
This is 14 dresses.
Okay, so we're trying to see what fits in the duffel bag so far, correct?
Yes. 2 pairs of heels.
Okay.
1 pair of water hiking shoes. My favorite little white tennis shoes. 3 pairs of sandals. I'm told to put one of them back, but actually, these can go in the outside of my roller bag. And these need to go in my roller bag because these are for Iceland.
Those are hiking shoes?
Those are my hiking shoes.
Okay.
I already hate myself. It's so heavy. It's so heavy.
All right, we need to problem solve.
Okay. All right. It is leaving day. There are toddlers in the back. We have my chauffeur / hotelier / packing Yes. The videos for packing will cut off because we reached a moment of panic and no mas. I still have packed way too much. I have way too many bags. There's way too much going on, but it is what it is. I've got my two little other helpers in the back. Hey guys, can you say hi to the camera? Say hi. So we're heading to the airport. My least favorite airport of all time.
FYI, it was a sign that says the #1 airport in the country, though.
I don't know who gave them that, but that's a lie.
Maybe it's one of those like world's best dad t-shirts.
It's not like they gave themselves that title. That sounds very Houston of them. Guess who has no idea how they're gonna get this across Europe? This girl. Okay, I love you all.
Bye, Ashton.
Bye. Okay, I'm going. Hope I just got to the airport. I'm a little overwhelmed. Just know that though it is very brave to do something like this, it is also utterly terrifying. Excuse me. So, yeah, I'm terrified. Okay. Whew. Okay. We're good.
Getting you out here on time this evening. So again, if you have not seen us, you get a highlighted marker through your boarding pass here for Iceland. Please see us here.
After a bit of stretching, which I like to do before long flights, I joined the rest of my fellow adventurers setting off to Iceland.
Here we go. Now I've got to go through customs. I've got to get something to eat. I'm starving. And then customs and immigration. Then go pick up my car. Then drive 45 minutes to town. You're a seasoned world traveler, not a hype girl.
After customs, I made my way through the duty-free shop. I'd heard that the best deals for alcohol are in the airport duty-free shop and that you should do your shopping here, but I was really hungry and a little sleep deprived, so I missed this opportunity and just paid more. For my first 3 days in Reykjavik, I stayed at the Kex Hostel right on the waterfront, and I loved it. I'll give you a peek at my room in the next episode.
This is their McDonald's, I guess? Go. All right, walked a bit. Found this. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. Or I will when I'm actually looking at the screen and see what it actually says. It's beautiful. I'm gonna see if they'll let me go inside.
Welcome to the Icelandic landmark Hallgrímskirkja. However you pronounce it, it took 41 years to build this Lutheran church in the heart of Reykjavik. Construction started in 1945 and ended in 1986. It stands 244 feet tall and is the largest church in Iceland and also the tallest structure in the entire country.
Hallgrímskirkja.
from Skirksja. I'm going up to the top of the tower. It was almost closed, and it was $9. I had to do it. I had to do it. And you can go up even higher. There's the front. I think this is the front of the church. Just the cutest little rainbow painted street. See if it'll focus. Yeah, church is back up there. And I'm just walking down towards the waterway where, oh gosh, that coffee smells good. Where there's a concert hall I wanted to go see. This town is so pretty. One of the things I am super in love with about this city is all of the art everywhere. Like there's just random murals or street paintings or just random art, sculptures everywhere. I love the art. I'm like obsessed with it. This place is gorgeous. How pretty that is. I found a street performance. Let's go watch. Lift power. This little shop I got the hot dog from, just right here on the corner. What is everything going on it?
It is fried onion, fresh onion, ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise-based lunch.
Perfect. This is the Icelandic hot dog. I actually saw this place. The Aqua tourists were just here. I've been stalking their stuff because I knew I was coming. So I saw them get a hot dog. So apparently Icelandic hot dogs are a thing. That's really good. Made it down to the waterfront. This is the Crystal Endeavor. And then pilot ships. That's Icelandic Coast Guard over there. Pardon me. It's a little windy. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing at this point. I'm just walking. Just walking. Oh, I think that's the thing that's the concert hall. This is Harpa concert hall, I think. It is very cool. Look at all the glass. There's a wind tunnel here. Okay, so usually you can go in to Harpa. Usually you can go into Harpa and take really cool pictures. It's supposed to be like an architecture. Why can I not say that word? It's supposed to be really cool architecture. Why can I not say architectural? Going on like 3 hours of sleep in the last 48 hours. I'm just trying to stay awake so that I can actually sleep tonight. It's supposed to be a really cool architectural piece in Reykjavik. That's what I'm trying to say. But they are closed for renovations, so you cannot go inside. It reopens on August 3rd, which unfortunately, I think it's the day I get to Paris, I think. But it's right on the water. And we'll go see some of those guys. I got my camper van, so
venture too far from my hostel at this point. I think I'm 2 miles away from it. So I think I'm gonna go back to my hostel. I've got a pub downstairs. The negative reviews of my hostel was that it was a party hostel. So this introvert chose the party hostel. We're gonna see us trying to bridge now.
If you enjoyed this episode, you can check out more at ashtononadventure.com or hit subscribe up at the top and follow along in the next adventure.